In 2025, learning frontend is harder than ever, not because the tools are bad, but there are too many of them. This might feel overwhelming. So in this video, I want to cut through the noise and show you the exact roadmap that I would follow if I were learning React and modern frontend dev today. This isn't based on any theory or hype, it's what actually works. Let's get into it. React is still the most used frontend library by far, especially in larger companies which have older projects. TypeScript is not optional. If you're applying to jobs, you would see it in every listing. Tailwind makes styling fast. It doesn't remove the CSS, but it just removes the repetitive bits. And finally, Vite. It just replaces Create React App and gives you lightning fast build. You can learn React without these extras, but I think you'll be doing yourself a disservice, especially if your goal is to get job ready. Here's a short quick-fire roadmap that I would follow myself. It has been separated into 3 weeks. The first week, I would go through the React and the JavaScript basics. In the second week, I would try to add TypeScript and Tailwind. And in the third week, I will try to combine the first and the second week's knowledge and try to create a portfolio myself. And deploy it, of course. But here's the part where most beginners get it wrong. They keep restarting with new tutorials instead of finishing one project. They install too many dependencies or libraries very early on, and they never actually deploy or share what they build. If you finish one well-structured project and polish it, you'd be ahead of 80% of the people learning frontend. Nowadays, utilization of AI is really important. Firstly, maybe utilizing ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot, not to write your code, but to explain something that you don't understand, or when you get stuck, try to refactor the code. That's it. Second, you cannot just stay confined with the front end, but you also need to put your hands on the back end to know actually how things work behind the scenes. That's where the platforms like CodeCrafters actually stand out. They let you build actual systems like Git, Redis, Docker, etc. It can completely change how you actually approach to build software. I'll leave a link to CodeCrafters down in the description if you want to check it out. And just for practice, I have set up a portfolio template. This is reusable. I'll leave a link to this portfolio template down in the description as well. You can get it, edit it, and deploy it as well. All the instructions are provided. So just to recap, if I were learning frontend in 2025, I would focus on React, TypeScript, Tailwind, and Vite. I'd build one project really well, deploy it, and utilize tools that will actually help me, not just copy-paste, basically utilizing AI stuff, AI tools. I have a full breakdown of this on an article. I'll leave a link of this down in the description below as well. You can check that out. If you're building your portfolio and want a solid starting point, consider checking out my template. And if you're ready to get serious about front-end, back-end, full stack, and even the whole system, you should check out CodeCrafters. Believe me, it's the real deal. Let me know in the comments where you're at in your journey. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take care.